Today, I will show you two methods to create a progress bar in CapCut. Let's go! Add a text and type 2 underscores. Adjust and make the red progress bar at the bottom of your video. Drag the progress bar to the end and a keyframe will automatically be added. Let's check out how it looks. Method 2. Let's add a progress bar with chapter informations. Go to Canva. Remember to check transparent background. Drag to the end of chapter 1 and another keyframe will be added. Repeat and until finish for all chapters. Let's check out how it looks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.